Electrical Conductivity of Metals by KayScience.com. Some metals conduct electricity better than others. For example, here we have two different types of metal wires, metal A and metal B. Metal A transfers less energy and metal B transfers more energy. So because metal B transfers more energy, it's better at conducting electricity than metal A. Therefore, it has a higher electrical conductivity. This is just a measure of how good a metal is at conducting electricity. So some metals are better at conducting electricity than others due to how many delocalized electrons the metal ions have. Notice that metal B has more delocalized electrons. Therefore, they are able to transfer more energy, so are better at conducting electricity compared to metal A. Let's now take a look in more detail at how the number of electrons in the outer shell of a metal atom controls how good that element is at conducting electricity. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. So we know group 1 metals have one electron in their outer shell. This electronic configuration of sodium demonstrates how there is one electron in the outer shell. This diagram shows how there is one delocalized electron per ion to transfer energy. Group 2 metals have two electrons in their outer shell. This electronic configuration of magnesium shows how it has two electrons in its outer shell. Here I am drawing two delocalized electrons per metal ion in this wire made of magnesium. Magnesium has two delocalized electrons per metal ion to transfer energy. Therefore, it has higher electrical conductivity compared to sodium, simply because it has more delocalized electrons. Group 3 elements have 3 electrons in their outer shell. In this metal wire made of aluminium, each metal ion has 3 delocalized electrons. This means there are 3 delocalized electrons per ion to transfer energy. So out of all these 3 different types of metal wires, aluminium has the highest electrical conductivity as it has the most delocalized electrons. Therefore, it is able to transfer the most energy. So the rule you need to know is electrical conductivity increases as the number of delocalized electrons per ion increases. Pause the video here to practice the keywords. The answers will follow. Press pause to answer the questions. The answers will follow. If stuck, just rewatch the video. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. And don't forget to visit KayScience.com for more videos, worksheets and quizzes at KayScience.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe.